Cayenne pepper mask for hair growth. This mask is very easy to make, but keep in mind that cayenne pepper is very hot, so don't add too much of it. If your scalp is sensitive, reduce the amount of cayenne pepper in the recipe below. So, take a small bowl, and add 2 teaspoons of ground cayenne pepper in it, followed by 4 teaspoons of olive oil. Mix the ingredients well using a spoon, and apply by rubbing the mixture onto your scalp. Put on the gloves before the application, to avoid burning sensation on your hands. Cover your hair with a shower cap. There will be a tingling sensation, which means the mask is working. Rinse off thoroughly after 10 minutes using a shampoo, and allow your hair dry naturally. You can apply this mask 1-2 times per week. Cayenne pepper benefits for hair. It is nourishing, because it contains capsaicin, vitamin C and A, B vitamins, including folic acid, niacin, and thiamine. This nutrient profile makes the hair strands stronger, builds hair protein, and boosts hair growth by nourishing the follicles. It invigorates hair follicles by the hot tingling sensation, which is said to wake up even the dormant follicles. It stimulates blood circulation when you eat it, or apply it topically. This is due to its hot nature. Improved circulation brings more nutrients to the follicles, making them produce stronger and thicker hair.